Welcome. My name is Kelly McHugh, and I'm with Fairfax County and the Childcare Assistance and Referral Program. Today, we are going to learn how the Childcare Assistance and Referral Program can help you in applying for financial assistance for childcare. First, I'm going to tell you a little bit about who we are. Childcare Assistance and Referral, or CCAR, as you'll hear me refer to it, provides financial assistance for childcare to families with low to moderate incomes who live in Fairfax County, the City of Fairfax, and the City of Falls Church, and who are working or in an education or training program. CCAR also supports Fairfax County residents in finding childcare by offering resources and referrals to families about various center-based and family childcare programs located throughout the county. Now we're going to talk about applying for financial assistance for childcare. You may be eligible to receive assistance in paying for childcare if you currently reside in Fairfax County, the City of Falls Church, or the City of Fairfax, if you are currently employed or in an approved training program or a combination of the two, if you have low to moderate income and are currently working or in a training program, if you receive temporary assistance for needy families or TANF, if you're participating in the Virginia Initiative for Employment and Work program, or the VIEW program, if you are currently participating with foster care, child protective services, currently residing in a homeless shelter, if you're a teen parent who is attending high school, or if you're working with the Head Start, Early Head Start program, or the Virginia Preschool Initiative program. Here we have the annual gross income guidelines for the program. These are available on our website. If you are interested in applying for financial assistance for childcare, please take a few minutes to review this and see if your family may be eligible. We talked previously about who may be eligible for childcare assistance, but we also want to make you aware that we have expanded eligibility criteria that supports families who are currently searching for work. In addition, we also have expanded income guidelines for families with a child younger than 5 years of age not enrolled in kindergarten. If you think you may be eligible or would like to apply, please take a few minutes to look over our expanded eligibility flyer located on our website. Okay, so let's talk about what the application process looks like. First, we ask that you review the eligibility requirements that are listed on our website. Second, gather the supporting documents that you will need to submit with your application. And don't worry, we're going to go over those on the next slide. The third step is where you submit your completed application with the supporting documents, and this is where we start the 30-day processing time. Once you submit your application with our department, we work with you over the course of 30 days to assist you in finding a childcare provider that meets your family's needs, which is step 4, and making sure that all required documents are submitted and your application is complete, which is step 5. At the end of this process, you will receive a notice in the mail letting you know whether your application was approved or denied. Here we have a list of the type of documents you'll be asked to provide with your application. For instance, if you're working, we would require verification of income. If you're in school or training, we would require a school or training schedule. We need the citizenship or qualified alien status documentation for the children you're requesting care for. And please note this is only for the children. We do not ask for this for any of the adults in the household. We require residency verification and identity verification for the person who is applying as well. Give us a call when you're looking to apply so we can discuss your family situation and guide you on the specific documents that you would need to submit with your application. Now you know the application process. How do you apply? Well, you can apply online at www.commonhelp.virginia.gov. You can download an application at our website at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/OFC and search CCAR. You can submit your application and supporting documents by email at ofcccarinfo@fairfaxcounty.gov. You can also fax them to 703-324-3917, or you can mail or drop off your documents at Office for Children/CCAR at 12011 Government Center Parkway, the 8th floor, Fairfax, Virginia, 22035. Thank you for taking time out of your day to learn about the Child Care Assistance and Referral Program. We hope that what you take away from this is that Child Care Assistance and Referral can assist you in paying for childcare. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 703-449-8484. Send us an email at ofcccarinfo@fairfaxcounty.gov, or visit us at our website, fairfaxcounty.gov/OFC, and search CCAR, or you can scan the QR code. Thank you and have a wonderful day.